Good morning, boys and girls. Today, we're going to continue with adding and subtracting large numbers using our place value chart. But today, we're going to do the standard algorithm as well. So our objective for today is that you will be able to add and subtract large numbers using the standard algorithm method. That sounds like a really big word, but trust me, you'll have no problem catching on. So we're going to start with the number 569. And I want to add 50. So I'm going to add 5 tens plus 50. I'm going to use my place value chart to solve. I have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 tens, and 500. So I'm adding 5 tens. So I'm going to come down here to my tens column and add my 5. No problem. Now I just see what my new number is. I still have the same number of ones because I didn't do anything to the ones. So that leaves me 9. And let's count my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 tens. 11 tens would make 110 because it's past 9 tens. That's not going to work. I can't have any number bigger than 9 in each column. 11's too big. How much too big? Well, let's count out 10 tens, and then if we have 10 tens, they group together to form 100. 10 tens make 100, and so we need to move it to the 100 side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle these 10, and I'm going to move it to the hundreds, which adds 100 for me. So now I don't have 11 tens, I have 1 10. 9 ones, 1 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. My hundreds changed because I had too many tens to fit in this column. 10 tens equal 100, and we move it to the other side, to the 100 side. My new number is 619. Let's try another one. How about the number 763? And I want to add 7 ones and 4 tens. 7 ones and 4 tens. 47 to the number 763. I'm going to draw my place value chart. Hundreds, tens, and ones. I have 3 ones, 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 700s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So first, I'm going to add the ones first. So I'm going to put my number over here. I'm going to make this arrow adding my 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many ones do I have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10. 10 ones makes 1 10. So I'm going to circle my 10 ones and move them over to the 10 spot. So how many ones do I have? 0, because we moved them over. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And I still have 700. So my new number is 770. Am I done? No, because I've only added the 7 ones. I now need to add the 4 tens. Plus 40. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to add 4 more tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. I haven't done anything to my ones, so I still have 0 ones. But now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tens. That's too many. We need to move some over to the hundreds. I can count out 10 tens and know that that makes 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle them, move them over. And so now I have 1 10 left. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hundreds. My new number is 810. This is how we use our place value chart to solve. Now, let's look at the standard algorithm. I'm going to erase my place value chart. And I'm going to start with my original number on top, 763. And then I want to add 47. Now, I must make sure my ones column is together and my tens column is together. If I get sloppy and write it like this, that's going to make me add 400s instead of 410s. We can't get sloppy. I can clearly see my ones are lined up and my tens are lined up. So I'm going to add 47. So what is 3 plus 7? 3 plus 7 is 10, right? But remember, we can't keep 10 in the ones column. So we're going to leave our 0 and we're going to transfer the 10 to the 10 column or carry a 1 because we're transferring 1 10. I'm going to write that 1 above my 10 column. Always show your work so that you know exactly that this 10 came from the ones column. So now I have 1 10, 6 10, and 4 tens. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is, that's right, 11. 11's too many, so I'm going to take 10 of those 10s and send them over to the hundreds. 11 minus 10 leaves me 1 and gives me 100. I'm going to carry that over to the hundred side. 1 plus 7 is 8. 810. Let's try one more problem using our standard algorithm. We're going to do 462 and 371. I made sure my ones are lined up, my tens are lined up, and my hundreds are lined up. So 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 7, that's right, 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 is too many to keep in the tens house. How many tens can I take out to make 100? 10 of them. 13, take away the 10, leaves me 3. 3 tens, and then I transferred over. Nope, not 3. I transferred over 1 set of 10 to make 100. So I have 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 more is 8. My new number is 833. This is the standard algorithm. The things you need to remember when using the standard algorithm is always line up your place values, like ones, tens, and hundreds. And always make a mark of how many you're carrying over to the other side. This is the standard algorithm.